Bom, pessoal, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Ball Z Kakaroto. Peço para quem estiver chegando, deixe um like. Quem estiver acompanhando pelo YouTube, curtam o vídeo, compartilhem, entrem na comunidade do Discord. Que mais? Assim, quem quiser participar do TikTok também tá aí. E a galera da Twitch também, quem quiser entrar lá no meu canal, canal do Carlos Televisão, Gameplay é o nome, está aí, vou deixar escrito abaixo. Bem, continuando aqui, a gente vai continuar uma nova aventura, uma DLC com o Goku, que se passa 10 anos depois, né? Final da saga dele. Beleza? Vamos começar aqui a nova aventura. Vamos começar aqui, continuar. No Freeza dobrado. Hoje vai começar uma nova história. Deixa eu ver aqui. Conteúdo para baixar. Aqui, ó. Recapitular a história. 10 anos depois da batalha com Majin Buu, Goku vem vivendo uma vida tranquila, dedicando-se ao treinamento de costume. Até um dia, quando decide participar do 28º Torneio de Artes Marciais, ele se inscreve para enfrentar um jovem misterioso que irradia um incrível poder oculto. Que tipo de batalha aguarda Goku na arena, com seus amigos reunidos para assistir? Vamos lá, começar. Dragon Ball Z no futuro. No meio da batalha com a força ultra destrutiva, conhecida como Majin Buu, Goku forma a Gengama Suprema a partir da esperança de seus amigos e de todos os habitantes da Terra. Ele também gasta o que lhe resta de força para criar uma brecha para usá-la. Pode, então. Já começamos aqui. Ah, sim. Opa! Yes! Tudo bem no mar. Oba! Da hora, hein? faz isso.
You're pretty amazing. You fought this hard all on your own. I hope you're born with someone good this time. I want to fight you one-on-one.
Forte lá, Goku.
I'll be waiting for you. And I'm gonna keep getting stronger.
Ficar ainda mais forte.
Later.
Mais, vai. Vai, pulo. Nossa. Explosão.
As the Earth was brought to the brink of destruction, our heroes came up with a plan. They resurrected the souls destroyed by Majin Buu, using the power of the Dragon Balls. Afterwards, the newly revived people of Earth rallied together and gave their energy to Goku's Super Spirit Bomb, allowing him to defeat Majin Buu. And so, Goku and his friends saved the Earth yet again.
Isso, Goku.
Finally, after countless threats to the planet, a true lasting peace was achieved, and the inhabitants of Earth were allowed to rest easy thanks to the Z fighters.
Guerreiros Z, olha lá. Legal.
So 10 years peacefully went by.
É a casa do Goku, essa? Nossa, aumentou. Aí sim. Goku, 10 anos após a batalha com Majin Buu, ele passa os dias treinando. Um dia ele sente a presença de alguém por quem esperava muito tempo. Um confronto da Chichi com a guarda. Ah, a pequena Pan. É isso aí, olha lá. Olha o Mr. Satan. Ixi, está envelheceu também.
Get ready. The action starts tomorrow.
Oh,
It looks
cool.
like Mr. Satan is the same as ever.
Da hora, cara. Goku com a nova roupa. Uhul. Só bonito.
Looks like it's about time.
Isso. Ball Z Kakaroto, a próxima jornada de Goku. Da hora. Tá, deve ser. Começamos.
Oh?
Pan, oh.
Good morning!
Neto do Goku, pan.
Look who it is! Hold on, what are you doing up so early, Pan?
Sorry, but I just couldn't wait to see you, Grandpa!
I see.
Goodness, aren't you two extra cheerful this morning?
Yup.
Yeah.
Morning,
Chichi.
Grandma! Are you doing laundry?
I sure am. The weather today is perfect for drying clothes outside.
Ele ia ser legal também, a Chichi.
Oh, by the way, Goku, I know it's still early, but do you think you could go catch us some fish? I completely forgot that Gohan and
Fish?
Videl mentioned they were coming for breakfast. And we definitely don't have enough to feed everyone.
Just leave it to me. How many should I get?
We'll need at least this many. And can you hurry?
Okay.
Gohan and the others should be here soon.
Got it. I'm actually pretty hungry myself. I'll be right back.
Goku sempre tá com fome.
Great. I could use the company.
Hooray!
I'm sure you two will
Hooray.
be perfectly fine. But be careful out there, okay?
Yep.
Okay.
An age of progress.
Uma era de progresso, de luta para uma nova batalha.
Let's see. Where do you think we should fish?
Da hora, agora começou. Ah! Ah, da hora.
Fish live in water. Why don't we look for a river?
Good call. I wonder if there's one nearby.
Ah, não dá pra viajar muito. Pequena tá me seguindo, ah. Ah, da hora. Nossa, a casa do Goku tá enorme aqui, cara. Dá pra entrar aqui? Ah, que da hora.
I bet this one is tasty.
Vai explorar o mundo primeiro. Antes de completar, deve ser até ser tudo, né?
I bet this one is tasty. I bet this one is tasty. Hey!
Grandpa!
Nossa, pequena Pan já sabe voar. Ah, tem que juntar mais.
They don't look too tough.
Quem que é esse aí? Ah, o pedaço de pizza. Vamos lá.
strong one day. They don't look too tough.
Ah, pô, não. Vamos lá. Apoiando.
Grandpa, you're so strong!
As long as you keep on training, you'll be strong one day.
Ooh, this looks good.
Ooh, this one looks pretty strong.
Completar esse novo treinamento.
This thing is filled with so much energy.
Alagamento meteórico. Deixa eu ver. Conclua a saga dos Saiyajins. Conclua a saga de 2 Saiyajins. Põe aqui, pã, vamos lá curtir.
Ooh, this looks good. Ooh, this looks good.
Comer uma refeição. Já não tem nada. Nuvem voadora.
I bet this one is tasty.
Onde tá a cidade? Aqui pra cá. Satan City. A cidade tá a mesma coisa.
Welcome.
Não tem nada. É a mesma coisa do
Thank
jogo
you.
base.
This thing is filled with so much energy. Ooh, this looks good.
Vamos lá.
All right, here we go. I bet this one is tasty. Ooh, this looks good. Ooh, this looks good. I bet this one is tasty. I bet this one is tasty.
Whoa, this energy's incredible.
Yeah, diamante.
Found something good. Oh, I've never seen this before.
Conservo. Observo. Vamos caçar uns peixes.
They don't look too tough.
Onde fica a casa do Goku?
This thing is filled with so much energy. I bet this one is tasty. Ooh, this looks good.
Whoa, this energy's incredible.
Huh. I bet I could catch some fish here.
Vamos usar uma isca. Ah, velho rabo.
All right.
Isso!
How's this?
Oh, get a load of that!
Haha.
Woohoo! I caught a big one!
All right.
Outro peixão. Vem pegar o rabo.
Oh, get a load of that! Woohoo! I caught a big one!
All right.
Alright. Pegar pro almoço, né? De família. Aí, ó!
Oh, get a load of that!
Isso!
All right. I think this much should be enough.
Wow, we cut so many, Grandpa.
Todos, vovô.
I bet I could catch some fish here. We should head back home. I'm getting pretty hungry.
Yeah, Mom and Dad are probably waiting for us.
Cara, é legal essa DLC que isso lembra, igual no começo do jogo, o Goku com o pequeno Gohan. A Pan não luta. Eles estão atrapalhando.
I won't hold back!
Ah!
Take this!
Grandpa, you're so strong.
As long as you keep on training, you'll be strong one day.
Outro não. De novo imprima da alma aqui. Todos imprimas da alma aqui ainda. Tentando explorar o mundo aqui é o mesmo, o jogo base.
Whoa, this energy's incredible.
Esmagamento meteórico. Vamos lá. Vamos lá. Voltar pra casa, pã. A casa é lá aqui, do Goku, não deu. Uhul!
Oh boy! I can't wait to eat breakfast!
Café da manhã.
What is it, Grandpa? Did you see something? Is it the fish?
It's nothing. There's
Ele,
no doubt
não
about it.
resta dúvida, eu
I've
espero por
been
essa
waiting
chance.
years to fight him again. Awesome! It looks like he's heading to the arena.
Aí no Pararina.
I don't get it. You were waiting for someone?
I'll tell you about it later. Right now, it's time to eat.
Grandpa, I want to know now.
Oh, there you are, Dad.
I hope you've been behaving, Pan.
I've been
Videl
with
e
Grandpa
Gohan.
the whole time. We caught a whole bunch of fish for breakfast.
Whoa, look at that. You sure did. I'll start cooking things up right away.
Uhul!
What?
E na
You want
casa.
to enter the world tournament tomorrow?
Yep, I just made up my mind.
I don't understand what you would even get out of it. It's not like anyone there could pose a challenge for you. Oh, I get it. You're after the prize money, aren't you? If you want money so badly, maybe you should go out and get a real job.
Oh, hold on a sec. That's not the reason at
Não
all.
é nada disso.
There's a really strong fighter who's about to reveal himself to the world, and I want to see him fight up close.
Wow.
Lutar de
If
perto.
you're this worked up, he must be the real deal.
Do
Gohan.
you think he's really that
Videl.
strong?
Yeah, I haven't met him yet, but I can tell from his ki alone.
You get to fight tough opponents, Grandpa? Lucky. I want to join too.
Now, Pan. This isn't pretend fighting, you know.
That's right. You're still too little to compete.
No, I'm not.
Nova.
Oh, come
Não
on,
sou.
Pan will be fine. I've been training her up.
Uh-huh.
Is that so?
Aham.
Well, if your grandpa says it's okay.
Ok.
Fine. I guess you can participate. But if things get dangerous, we're pulling you out.
Of course. Thank you.
Gohan nessa etapa parou de lutar,
Why
né?
don't you sign up for it too, Goten?
Abandonou as lutas para se tornar um cientista.
Yeah, why
Ó, Goten.
not? Come on, it's not like you're busy or anything.
I think I'll pass. I actually have a date planned tomorrow.
A date, huh? Well, I'm sure you can reschedule it to another day. The tournament only comes around once a year.
Well, I think it's a fantastic idea. You haven't been getting enough exercise lately, Goten.
Hey, aren't you supposed to be on my side, Mom?
You're not a child anymore. You don't need me to fight your battles. And if we're being honest, it's not like you're gonna use the time to study anyway. You might as well take this opportunity to stay in
Ah,
fighting
até a
shape.
Chichi quer o Goten lutar.
Oh,
Mom sure has come around over the years.
Yes! It's settled then. I'm gonna take Pan for some training now. Why don't you tag along, Goten?
That's a good idea.
oh
Ótima
man.
ideia.
Do I have to?
All right. It's about time we made our way to the mountain.
Yay! You ready to go, Goten?
Oba, tá pronto
Oh,
pra vir, Goten.
I just remembered. I gotta get something really quick.
Tá fugindo do
Go on
treinamento,
without me
Goten.
and I'll catch up.
Really? Well, I guess it can't be helped. Come on, Grandpa.
Sure. Don't take too long, okay?
You got it.
Right. We should head up to the mountain.
I can't wait for you to win. I already know what I want to do with.
Well, there's no guarantee I'll even win the tournament. There might be some stiff competition this year.
Aham.
What are you talking about? Of course you'll win. I've known you long enough to know exactly how strong you are. There's no one on Earth who can beat you.
Ó o Goten.
I told you I'd be there. So, don't you have some training to do?
Que é isso aqui? Super Saiyan. Ah, que da hora. Ah.
They don't look too bad. Get back and stay safe.
Você quer lutar? Beleza. Ah.
That's that.
Isso. Vamos treinar, Ban. Primeiro.
Ooh, this looks good. I bet this one is tasty.
E aqui?
Grandpa, let's get started already.
Looks like someone's raring to go. This is the perfect chance to show me what you've got. I don't want you holding anything back.
Vamos ver o que é pensar.
You got it.
Pegar leve com ela.
I'm feeling extra powerful today.
A luta terrível. Ah, entendi.
I can't wait.
Watch me, okay, Grandpa? I'm not done yet.
Oops, I'm sorry. Maybe I went a little too hard. Next attack is gonna blow you away. Here I come.
Que da hora. Vamos lá, Pam, monstro mágico.
I know you can do better than that.
Okay, hope you're ready for this.
My next attack is gonna blow you away.
Ah, que da hora!
Okay, time to pick up the pace. You nearly slapped the snot out of me. Come on, get up! You're not ready to quit, are you?
I won't give up that easily. I'll lose.
Hey, I want to see you. Now, don't fall into my rhythm. Try to mix things up a bit. My next attack is gonna blow you away! You got me good there.
pegar um pouco pesado, só. Uau!
Okay, time to pick up the pace. That wanna hurt, you know. It's gonna blow you away. Looks like you're wide open, Pam.
Grandpa, you're moving way too fast!
Here I come.
Now it's another two! How was that, Grandpa?
Ouch! When did you get to be so strong? I gotta
Whoa.
be careful. My neck!
Agora, qual o tempo que tem?
My next attack is gonna blow you away! Alright, I think that's enough.
Isso! Tá falando mais forte que pensa, hein?
You've gotten really good, Pan. If you ask me, there's a good chance you'll get pretty far in the World Tournament.
You think so? That's great! I wanted to surprise you, Grandpa, so I've been training really hard in secret.
I see. I like your spirit. Where did Goten run off to? I'd better go check on him.
Goten tá
I want
fugindo
to
da
come along
luta.
too.
Why don't you take a break? We just had a pretty intense workout.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
All right, I guess you can come with. Let's see. Where could that kid be hiding?
Maybe he can't find whatever he forgot.
Goten's
Até
been
você, Goten.
slacking off a lot lately. And I should make sure he's still got his edge.
I hope I get to fight him in the World Tournament.
O tio Goten.
Might give him a run for his money. Pan, get back and stay safe.
Right, I'll wait here.
Here goes! Whoa! Take this! Here goes! Here goes! Woo! That's that.
You're amazing!
Oh, where is he?
Maybe he's still at the house?
Vamos descansar. Oi. Ai, ai. Dun, dun. A Videl do futuro. Peguei na Pan. Será que dá pra jogar com ela depois? Isso. Vamos continuar a história, procurar o Goten. Ih, ela tá fugindo.
Nice and easy, nice and easy. I can't let Dad hear me.
So
Goten
what is
virou
it that you don't
covarde,
want me
cara.
hearing about?
Oh, hey, Dad. And Pan's with you, too.
Come on, Goten, what's the holdup? I want to train some more and get stronger with you.
So did you end up finding what you were looking for?
I haven't yet. I mean, it's not that I was looking for anything in particular. The truth is, I forgot to do something. I'll see you later.
The tournament's tomorrow, remember? You don't have much time.
It's been a while since you last fought, hasn't it? Let's train a little. Shake off the rust, huh? What do you say?
Aham.
Nah, I think I'm good.
Acho que
Besides,
tô bem.
other than you, I doubt anyone there could beat me anyway.
Aren't you forgetting
Eu,
someone?
você não tá esquecendo ninguém do
Right,
Majin Buu.
I'm pretty sure I can take you on in a fight, Pan.
Nuh-uh.
Oh, really? You seem pretty confident there. Why don't you prove it?
I don't feel like it right now. Also, I still have to do
Oh,
that
yeah,
thing,
Goten,
so
vamos lá.
maybe next time.
Well, I'm sure you can do whatever it is another time.
Yeah, I
Goten
can
virou
even help you
covarde.
out later, too.
Oh, don't worry, I can take care of it myself.
That's enough stalling. Come on, Goten, let's get going already.
Wait, I told you I didn't want to come along.
Ah. Hora de treinar, Goten.
All right, then. I guess I'll spar with you for a little bit. It might even help me get warmed up.
But, okay, I'll fight you.
Vamos ver o quanto que você tá forte,
What
Goten.
about me?
Why don't you work on practicing your flying technique? If you learn to control your ki, you'll be able to fly super fast. Let's see. All
Então
right,
vejamos.
how does taking a lap around the world sound?
Sure, I can do that. I'll be back soon.
Awesome. Be careful, okay?
Got it.
Whoa! She disappeared in the blink of an eye.
Yep. She just keeps on
Ela
getting
só fica
stronger and
atacando.
stronger. But now it's your turn. Better take this seriously, or you might get hurt.
Sério, ou você pode se machucar.
Fine, but go easy on me.
Tá certo. Não tem pra onde correr não, Goten.
All right, it's time for you to show me what you've got, Goten. Don't hold back on me.
I guess I don't have a choice in the matter.
Pay more attention, Goten. You're wide open.
Dang it! I can't keep up with his movements at all.
This is what happens when you let yourself get rusty.
Could you go a little easier, please?
Here I come! You just need to focus. Expecting things to be easy will only get you hurt, even in sparring.
That would be a huge problem. I'd miss
Legal
all
o
my
treinamento.
dates.
Then you better get on the ball, Goten.
Okay, fine. Here I come, Dad.
Yahoo!
Keep that up.
All right. I actually blew Dad away.
Come on, Goten. Let's see what you can do. That was a nice one. Keep that up.
All right. I actually blew Dad away. You're doing well.
You got the basics down pat. Here I come. Good job. Keep it up. This one's gonna hurt.
Uau, que da hora.
Here I come! Here I come! Form's looking pretty good, Goten.
Nice. Thanks, Dad.
My next attack is gonna blow you away!
This one's gonna hurt.
That was a nice one! Keep that up.
All right. I actually blew Dad away. Let's go.
My next attack is gonna blow you away!
Bora pegar pesado você.
Put your head in the game, Goten. Otherwise you'll get hurt!
Come on, give me a break.
My next attack is That was a nice one! Keep that up!
All right. I actually blew Dad away.
Come on, Goten! Let's see what you can do! You're starting to read my moves! Good! That attack was nasty! Whoa! You're doing surprisingly good!
I've been fighting tough opponents my entire life. This is just another day for me.
That's so? Guess you'll mind if I kick things up a notch.
Bring it on.
Here I come! Oh, Goten, you're not keeping up at all!
You're too fast for me, Dad.
That attack is nasty! There you go! Keep charging up your ki! You can move faster than that!
Here.
You can move faster than that! Maybe I took things a little bit too far.
Isso!
That really hurt.
Don't tell me that's all you've got, Goten!
I give up. You're way too strong, Dad.
Don't throw in the towel already! It's been a while since we trained together. Let's make the most of it.
Wait! I need a break!
Pera aí. Aí, ó, o Vegeta e a Puma
I
chegando.
don't understand. How come he never swings by to see us? I'm going to get to the bottom of this.
One of these days, the shoe's gonna be on the other foot.
Hmm? Hey! Vegeta? Bulma? Wow, what a surprise! How you doing?
Now you wouldn't know that, would you, Goku? How could you?
Vegeta,
You never
Bulma.
call, and if we didn't come to visit you, we'd probably never see you again.
Hey, come on! You know that's not true! Didn't we see each other just the other day?
It's been 5 years!
Faz 5
Every
anos.
time we plan a get-together with everyone, you say you have to train.
Well, that's true. Huh.
Oh,
I guess it has been a long time. Right?
Huh? What do you mean?
Well, it's just that you look way
bem,
older.
é que você tá bem mais velho.
Shut your rude mouth! I have you know that most people think I look pretty good for my age. Excuse me for not being an alien monster that never changes or gets old.
We Saiyans evolved as a warrior race. We retain our youthfulness so we can fight longer.
Too bad you didn't evolve enough brains to have good manners.
By the way, Kakarot, is it true that you're going to be fighting in the World Tournament?
Yep, sure am. You should fight too. Vegeta, you can't beat those stadium hot dogs.
Hot dogs? Enough already! Tell me the real reason you're fighting!
Cadê o motivo de você
I'd really rather
lutar?
talk about the hot dogs. But anyway, there's this guy who signed up to fight yesterday, and I think he might be really strong.
Really? You'd think I would sense a spirit like that?
You would, if he wasn't suppressing his energy. No, this guy's something else. We may have a challenge on our hands.
I don't believe it. A real fighter on this planet. Is he an alien?
Nope, this guy's an Earthling.
Não.
An Earthling? Wait, do you mean he's some kind of android, Kakarot?
Nope, he's 100% human.
There's no
Ele é
way!
100%
You
humano.
two are the best. Give me a break.
Eu
How
sei que
could
tá
an
falando
Earthling
Ubi.
possibly be on par with you and Vegeta?
Hmm?
Hmm?
Hey,
Durante.
Trunks! Good to see you, dude!
Now, Trunks, hay is for horses.
Yeah. There you are, Goten. I thought that you'd be training. So are you gonna be competing in the tournament? Or what?
Yeah, my dad's making me fight.
Sim,
It's
meu
not like
pai
I
me
wanted to
convenceu,
sign
não
up.
queria me inscrever.
I actually had a date! Until he forced me to cancel it.
aw, come on, Goten, it's not so bad. There's plenty of
right,
time
then.
for your date after the tournament.
Looks like your son has the same slacker attitude as mine.
Como o meu.
Seems so. Well, people tend to soften up a bit when things are peaceful.
Aham.
Ah?
A Pan.
Now there's a real go-getter.
Deu a volta na Terra.
My
Yoo-hoo.
goodness! Look, it's Pan!
Hi there! Grandpa, I'm done flying around the world.
Oh, wow, nice job. I think that was your fastest time yet.
Do you think I'll be ready for tomorrow?
Huh? Hold on a sec. What did you say? Is Pan gonna be fighting in the tournament too?
Yep, course I am.
What? Are you sure?
Why?
Goku, you know there's not going to be a junior division at the World Tournament this year, right? Don't tell me she's competing against adults.
Well, you guys don't have to worry about Pan at all. She can hold her own in any division. She might not be able to take home the championship, but she'll do fine.
She's got the right attitude. I'll enter as well. And guess what else? Trunks is too. If you
Aí,
refuse,
Trunks sobrou
you
pra
can
você
say
também.
goodbye to half your weekly allowance.
Guess you're coming along.
Right. I think that's enough training for today. Let's go home.
Good. I feel like I'm about to drop dead.
Aw, do we have to? I can keep going.
How?
Wow, you're a bundle of energy,
Wow.
aren't you, Pan? It's funny, you remind me a lot of Goku when he was little. It's late. We should get going as well. Say hi to Chichi for me, okay?
Sure. See you tomorrow at the tournament.
Yeah. Hey, Trunks, we're training when we get home.
Hey,
Got
Trunks,
it?
vai participar também.
Sure, sounds good to me. I was already planning on doing a little extra to get ready for tomorrow anyway. All right, let's start heading back.
Vamos lá.
We're home!
Chegamos!
Huh? Is something wrong?
Oh, I'm fine. Welcome back. I was thinking it would be nice if everyone got together tomorrow to cheer you all on. So I tried calling Master Roshi, but I couldn't reach him at all. I don't know what's going on, but I hope he's okay.
He's probably just out and about. Maybe his phone's broken or something?
Probably. And it is Master Roshi we're talking about. I'm sure he's fine.
I mean, I could swing by and see how he's doing. I can tell him about the
Posso
tournament
aproveitar e
while I'm
contar
there.
sobre o torneio.
Would you? That'd make me feel a lot better.
Me too.
I want to go with you, Grandpa.
You should stay home and rest up. I want you to be in tip-top
Informa,
shape for
mãe.
tomorrow.
Aww. Fine then. Hurry back, okay?
Right. I'll be home before you know it.
O legal é que a casa do Goku virou uma mansão, parece, cara. Ah, tô dentro de casa aqui.
It's been a while since I paid Master Roshi a visit.
Ah, que da hora. Kami Hao.
Don't forget to tell him that you're entering tomorrow's tournament. He's your master. Well, you've never been good at that kind of stuff. Remember how you didn't even tell him when Gohan was born?
Yeah, I remember that.
He's your master, so make sure you show him respect.
Be careful, Grandpa.
I will. Now remember, get plenty of rest, okay?
Hey, you should get some rest too.
Huh? Dad?
E aí, Goten?
I'm gonna take it easy for the rest of the day. Otherwise, I won't be able to move tomorrow.
Avisar o mestre Kami sobre o torneio? Da hora. É aqui a saída, não? Uhum. Kamehameha hackeado, golpe de impacto. Oba!
I bet this one is tasty. Here goes!
Já era.
I won't hold back! Take this! Here goes!
Vamos lá. Ah, conseguimos. Agora tá pra ir pro mundo? Ô, se dá! Antes vamos explorar aqui a capital do oeste. E aí, ô Long?
Whoa, this energy's incredible.
Hey there! Hey there!
Ooh, this looks good.
A casa da Bluma não mudou nada. Vamos lá. Goku treina relutamente, aceitou participar do torneio de artes. Como investidas visitam pela primeira vez 5 anos.
How's Goten holding up, Goku?
He didn't seem to. He'll be okay. Do me a favor and see if you can light a fire under it. I need you both at 100%.
Sure, I'll try.
That's the spirit.
I feel like Dad would cut my entire...
Hey, you ready for...
Please. I never miss a day of training, so I'm always in peak fighting condition.
That's good to hear. I hope I get the chance to have a match with
The
you.
feeling is mutual, though we won't be able to unleash our full power in such a small venue. Do you really think someone else worth fighting will show up?
Yep, you better believe it. Be ready for anything.
Strong Earthling? I believe it was...
Vegeta and Trunks will be fighting in the World Tournament tomorrow. It's been so long since I've had the chance to cheer you guys on. I remember how exciting things were back.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm raring to go. Guess we...
Vegeta's always chomping at the bit to fight someone. This is the perfect
Wow,
excuse for him.
Daqui se mantém tudo igual, né?
This thing is filled with so much energy. They don't look too tough. I'm ready when you are. Show me what you got.
luta sério.
That one's pretty tough.
Vamos na casa do mestre Kami. Vamos lá.
Knowing him, I bet he's as spry as ever. They don't look too tough. I'm ready when you are.
É, quer lutar?
Here goes!
Vai.
That one's pretty tough. Better get moving before it gets too late. They don't look too tough. Ooh, this one looks pretty strong. I'm ready when you are. Show me
Carai,
what you got.
bicho chato. Ai, ai.
Huh. I bet I could catch some fish here.
Vou pegar um peixe.
All right.
Alright. Vamos lá. Isso!
Like this! Oh, get a load of that! Woohoo! I caught a big one! Hit him!
Vamos lá, visão médica.
They don't look too tough. This thing is filled with so much energy.
Olha o mestre clicando. Contra.
Mr. Roshi, you were here the whole time?
Huh? Well, if it isn't Goku. It's
Vai lá.
been so long since you've come by. I could have kicked a bucket and you never would have known.
Sorry about that.
You can keep your apologies. Just stop by every once in a while. So what was it you wanted to talk to me about?
Oh, Chichi was trying to call you earlier, but you didn't pick up. That's why I came by to check up on you.
Did she? Now that you mention it, I haven't heard my phone ring at all lately. Maybe it's broken.
No kidding? Is that all it was?
Whatever, I'll look into it later. What is it that Chichi wanted to talk to me about?
Oh, right. Well, I'll be fighting in the World Tournament tomorrow, and we wanted to let you know.
Huh? The World Tournament? It's been a while since you participated, so I stopped paying attention to it. That brings me back. I remember the first time you fought in that competition all those years ago.
Right.
Oh, no.
Back when I was training with Krillin. Yeah, you made us do all kinds of crazy stuff.
You needed every bit of that training to get stronger. And you made it through with flying colors.
Yep. Before I knew it, me and Krillin got super strong thanks to your instruction.
As I recall, you couldn't take the championship in the end.
Cara com a vitória no
I'm
final.
betting it was a humbling experience for you and Krillin.
Yeah. I wonder what the old coot who beat me is up to nowadays.
Oh, he's doing fine. Just fine.
Huh? It almost sounds like you know him.
Yeah, of course not. I mean, I imagine he's doing well, that's all.
Eu imagino que ele esteja bem, só isso.
That was a close one.
If you say so.
Anyway, how do you feel about the tournament?
I'm just as ready as always, and I'm pretty excited. You should come watch if you've got some free time. Vegeta, Goten, Trunks, and Pan will be competing too.
Even Pan, huh? That sounds like fun. Although,
yeah,
whenever we
definitely.
have a world tournament, something outlandish always seems to happen. I wonder what it'll be this time.
Well, whatever happens, we'll take care of it like always.
I'm sure you will. Give him hell, Goku.
You bet, Master Roshi.
Vá até um pilar azul. Ah, fazer missão secundária.
Guess I'll head back home now.
Vamos lá, o que o mestre Kami quer?
Greetings. Many thanks.
Uhum.
Hmm?
Yep. Huh?
Ah.
What?
Ué? Vamos lá. Achar a causa. Problema de conexão na casa do Gami.
What should I do? Right.
Hey!
Excuse me.
Vamos lá ver então isso.
They don't look too tough.
Primeira missão secundária, né?
This one looks pretty strong. They don't look too tough. Ooh, this one looks pretty strong. They don't look too tough. All right, here we go.
O que é esse cara? Hã?
What?
O exército Freeza. What?
Hmm? You're in for it now.
Deixar encostar um dedo nesse
No
frango.
way.
Ah, exército Freeza.
Hmm?
Vamos lá.
I bet this one is tasty. Here goes.
Máquina de combate.
Don't hold back!
Oh, novo inimigo.
Damn. Right. Hmm? I'm not sure how it works, but I guess it's fixed now. I should start heading back.
Isso aí.
They don't look too tough. Ooh, this one looks pretty strong. Time to blast off! They don't look too tough.
Eu não quero lutar se eu chocar com os velhos.
Greetings. What?
What? Uh-oh.
Greetings. Many thanks.
Huh?
Oh.
Eita, tartaruga.
Huh? Oh.
Isso. Quase 2 horas já.
All right! Master Roshi is still the same as ever.
Many thanks. Oh.
Vamos voltar pra casa do Goku. Depois de ter feito então essa missão secundária.
It sure was nice to see Master Roshi again. He's as spry as ever.
Vamos voltar aqui à casa do Goku.
The more I think about the World Tournament tomorrow, the faster my heart starts beating. Ooh, this looks good!
Vamos ver o que a Titi vai falar.
Oh, you're home, Goku. Did you tell Master Roshi about the tournament?
Uh-huh. He said he's looking forward to it and to give him hell.
That's great to hear.
But he did chew me out for not coming to see him more often.
Well, I don't blame him in the least. You always put things off unless it's somehow related to training. You better get to bed early tonight so you can be rested for tomorrow.
Ah, vamos direto, né?
Sure.
Fine, but don't...
Pera aí, galera. Eu acho que... Galera, acho que já tá bom por aqui. A gente continua na próxima parte da DLC. Dragon Ball Z Kakaroto aqui. Obrigado por todos que acompanharam até aqui. A gente continua essa jornada do Goku. A próxima vez nós vamos lutar com o Ubi. Então beleza, galera, vou nessa, falou. Se inscrevam no canal, deem o like, compartilhem e participem da comunidade Discord. É isso aí, falou, fui.